The truth table and logic gates. The truth table is a table that displays all possible input combinations and their corresponding output values in a logic or a Boolean expression. A logic gate is a circuit symbol that perform function consistent with those Boolean operators. Now, let's focus on an operator and its implementation in logic gates. On the left side, we see the truth table for an operator. The table displays the relationship between two inputs A and B and the output X. The output X will be 1 if both inputs are 1. Otherwise, the output always be 0. On the right side, we see the AND gate, which virtually represents the function of an operator in a logic circuit. It takes two inputs, A and B, and produces an output X. And the output is produced the same way as an operator. The output is 1 only when both inputs are 1. Otherwise, the output will always be 0. OR operator. The OR gate takes two inputs, A and B, and produces output X. The output is 1 if one or both of the inputs are 1. If both inputs are 0, then the output is 0. In other words, the output to be 1, at least one input must be 1. NOT operator. For NOT operator, as we see the truth table on the left and NOT gate on the right. So NOT gate is also known as a logical inverter that the output is the opposite of its input. A NOT gate reverses the logic state. If the input is 1, then the output is 0. If the input is 0, then the output is 1. NAND gates. The NAND gate operates as an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. It acts in the manner of logical operation and followed by a negation. The output is 0 if both inputs are 1. Otherwise, the output is 1. Another way to visualize it is that a NAND gate inverts the output of an AND gate. The NAND gate symbol is an AND gate with the circle of a NOT gate at the output. The NOR gate is combination OR gate followed by an inverter. Its output is 1 if both inputs are 0. Otherwise, the output is 0. The exclusive OR we can call it OR gate, acts in the same way as the logical either OR. The output is true if either but not both of the inputs are true. The output is 0 if both inputs are the same. Similarly, the output is 1 if the inputs are different, but 0 if the inputs are the same. I hope this lesson has given a clear fundamental concepts in digital systems. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.